going to do a root touch-up on this outgrowth. Mine isn't too terrible right now, but for the sake of teaching you guys what to do at home, we're gonna get in there. We definitely do not want to overlap because that's where you get muddy and your stylist is gonna have to correct it. So I'm just gonna be tapping just right where you see that, a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so you're going to have your developer and your color, and we already put your pure tones in your color. So you just put them together in a bowl. I would use something to mix it other than the brush that we give you because you want to make sure that there's no pigment stuck in the brush. I can't stress enough, you're just doing your roots, just a root touch-up, no more than what you actually need, so gray coverage and what you can see. I would start whatever side you feel like, because I don't think it really matters. I have a tail comb, but honestly, you could use a tail comb if you're like really precise and like get in there, or you know, just the end of your comb, whatever it comes in. But I would start kind of like right here and then move up on my head. Just a little bit. You do not need to go crazy. I'm kind of leaving my baby hairs out a little bit because I want to do them a little bit more like precise. Maybe have like an extra like clean wet towel around you for cleanup. But do you kind of see that? It's just like that little bit and just barely get it in there. It will tell you how long to leave it on as well. Gray coverage, you're gonna leave it on for a little bit longer. Honestly, this is pretty easy to do if you're just doing it like the one-time thing, kind of just getting where you can see. I cannot believe I'm making this video. I can't believe I'm doing this at home. What a time to be alive. What a time. Okay, I'm gonna go around my hairline just a little bit. So for my little baby hairs, just gonna go just a little bit. You don't wanna go too crazy, right? They pick up a little bit more. Unless you're gray, then you wanna definitely go a little bit more intense because you're really resistant around your face. So definitely if you're gray, really get it in there, and maybe even where you're the most resistant, so you're the most white or gray, definitely start there because you want that to be sitting on the longest. But this is all you want to do. You do not want to overlap, especially if you're gray, so just make sure that you're just putting on the gray because you don't want that dark line. So yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna have my roommate do the back. Gonna let it sit for 20-30 minutes and then shower and or have somebody wash her hair, but you can get anybody to wash your hair. I don't think I'll be able to do that, so. All right, and then you get your beautiful roommate, hair assistant. Dakota is not a licensed professional, so I'm gonna explain how to do the back section. So I'll just part it, and then where this is already, like that should be already pretty much parted, yeah? Yeah. And then just go up this quadrant, up the hair. I would say take, smaller sections, because you want to like saturate and make sure you're getting everything. but I feel like it's more important to get it on there. And since you're doing it for the first time and you're gonna be like, or if somebody's doing it, they're gonna be like, oh, I gotta be like so particular. But you don't want your product on for like more than 30 minutes, an hour. So just get it on there. This is just like temporary. We're like getting you through your next. Right, there you have it. Root touch up. Yeah, so wait 30 to 45 minutes, depending on, it will say in your little thing. Then either shower, don't get it in your eyes, or do it in the sink. Only in quarantine is this allowed. One time.